Chapter 13 Our Body. Our body can perform many functions. It is a wonderful gift of God. It helps us to understand the environment. It works all the time, even when we sleep. We should look after the needs of our body and take care of it. Always keep your body clean and healthy. It is made of many parts. Every part performs its function. These parts help us to understand what is happening around us. Our important body parts are head, hands, legs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, etc. We perform many functions with the help of these body parts. Let us learn about each part of our body. 1. Head. Head is the topmost part of our body. It contains many sense organs like eyes, ears, nose and tongue. These sense organs help us to see, hear, smell and taste. But the most important organ that it contains is the brain. Our brain controls whole of our body. We think with the help of our brain. It controls all other body parts. Many hairs grow on our head. We comb them every day. We should keep our hair clean. 2. Eyes. Human body has 2 eyes. The eyes help us to see. We enjoy the beautiful world by seeing them with our eyes. We can differentiate between different shapes and colors with the help of our eyes. Our eyes also help us to see the movement of the things. Our eyes are very precious to us. We should protect them from dust and smoke. We should wash our eyes every day with clean water. Activity. Some people wear spectacles. Do you know why? 3. Ears. We have 2 ears. They are positioned on our face. They help us to hear different sounds. Therefore, they are important part of our body. They help us to make difference between melodious sounds and unpleasant sounds. Our teachers and parents give us many instructions. We listen to these instructions with the help of our ears. We should keep our ears clean. We should use only soft things like cotton buds to clean the ears. It is very dangerous to insert hard things in our ears like pencil or matchstick. It can damage our ears. 4. Tongue. Tongue is a special part of our body. It performs 2 functions. We are able to speak with its help. Our tongue also helps us to taste the things that we eat. It is placed inside our mouth. It is a very delicate part. It has 4 taste buds which help us to differentiate between different tastes. The different tastes are sweet, sour, salty and bitter. It also helps us to move the food in our mouth so that it is chewed properly. We talk and sing with the help of our tongue. Activity. What is the taste of the following food items? Five. Nose. We have 1 nose. It is positioned in the center of our face. It helps us to breathe. It also helps us to smell. We can distinguish between different types of smells. The fragrance of rose is very pleasant. The garbage gives out bad odor. We can also distinguish between different foods because they give different smells. We breathe in air to live. The air that we breathe first of all enters our nose. There are small hairs inside our nose. They block the dust particles and other impurities present in air. Therefore, we should clean our nose regularly. We should not insert finger or any other thing to clean the nose. We should blow out the nose in the wash basin. 6. Skin. Skin is the outer covering of our body. It helps us to feel. When we touch something, we can know about its feeling. For example, we can differentiate between rough and smooth surfaces. We can also feel hot and cold with the help of skin. There are many pollutants in the air. Our skin protects our body and does not allow these particles to enter our body. We sweat during summers. It is because of tiny holes in the skin. Sweating is good for the body. We should keep pore skin clean. 7. Hands and arms. Our body has 2 hands. The hands helps us to perform a number of jobs like eating, writing, playing, clapping, etc. The hands are very important parts of our body. Each hand has 5 fingers. They help us to hold things firmly. Each finger has a nail at its tip. We should cut our nails regularly. The hands are attached to the arms. 8. Legs and feet. The legs and feet are our lower limbs. Our body has 2 legs and 2 feet. The legs help us to walk and run. While playing also, the legs and feet are very useful. Legs also help us to dance and kick. The upper part of leg is called thigh. As hands are attached to arms, so are feet attached to legs. Each foot has 5 toes with nails at their tips. We should cut these nails regularly. We should wear shoes to protect our feet. Things to remember. 1. The head contains the brain, which helps us to think. 2. The eyes help us to look around. 3. Ears help us to hear different kinds of sounds. 4. The tongue helps us to speak and taste the eatable items. 5. The nose helps us to breathe and smell. 7. Skin is the outer covering of body and helps us to feel. 8. Hands and fingers help us to hold things firmly. 9. Legs and feet help us to walk, run and